Hello from 5 Best Buys and welcome to my new video. We will be looking at the top 5 best dash cams. This list is based on personal opinion, buyer reviews and buyer popularity, and I hope you like it. I will link all of the reviewed best dash cams in the description below the video so you can go check them out for yourself. Okay, on with the list. The first dash cam we have is the Garmin Dash Cam 30. Garmin's Dash Cam 30 aims to be that eyewitness to your journeys that never blinks. A high definition, standalone driving recorder with crisp 1.4-inch LCD screen features footage capture at WGA, 720p and 1080p resolutions in a continuous loop. Designed to mount on a car's windscreen to capture excellent video detail in both bright and low light conditions. The camera starts recording automatically when the vehicle is turned on and will turn back off once the car is turned off. While parked, the G sensor is detecting any impact and auto-locking the essential video segments. So you will never miss any critical moments when you're away from your vehicle. The camera automatically detects and saves recordings, thereby preserving a complete record of an event on a 64GB micro SD card, which is included with the dash cam, which features a 30-minute battery life. It preserves saved footage so that the next recording doesn't overwrite it. There is also a snapshot feature so that you can take the Dash Cam 30 from the windshield for a close-up view of the vehicle or property damage. You can also play back footage right on its screen or later view footage on a computer. The next dashcam we have is the ePrance new G1W Novatech. The ePrance new G1W Novatech 2.7-inch car dash camera uses a 140-degree high-resolution ultra-wide angle lens with night vision technology. In addition to offering high-quality 1080p video recording in MOV file format, this vehicle camera also enables you to take JPEG photos as well. This can be highly useful in the case of an accident, as it allows you to capture additional detail such as other drivers involved, damage to the vehicles, and photos of the scene. Equipped with a 32GB memory card, and thanks to loop recording, this card can take a long time to fill up, as the camera will keep overwriting older uneventful videos for as long as possible. The G1W includes an accelerometer, G sensor, that detects if vehicles have been hit while parked and earmarks that footage for later review. Only once the memory is full of locked files, which are locked because they have unusually captured something of interest, will the card be full. This camera also overcomes the issue of a power supply with a built-in battery that will have enough charge to last for several hours in case of an incident while you're away from your vehicle. Okay, the next dash cam to look at is the Thinkware F770. The Thinkware Dash Cam F770 not only acts like your best protection against insurance frauds and road accidents, it is also a reliable eyewitness in the case of an incident. The Thinkware F770 is a dual-channel dash cam that records in full HD, featuring super night vision, time-lapse, road safety warning systems, and safety camera alert. With a 1080p full HD front and rear camera, 30 FPS and advanced video clear technology, the F770 produces a bright, high-quality footage with stunning details in all conditions. Unlike most dual cameras that record at low bit rates, the F770 records 10 megapixels for the front camera and 8 megapixels for the rear camera. This dashcam has built-in GPS, internal backup memory, and built-in Wi-Fi that can be used to connect the camera to your smart devices. Built-in GPS tracker embeds speed, time, and location data in the recorded videos to provide all the crucial information in case of an incident. The fail-safe recording uses a supercapacitor for backup power in case the primary power gets disconnected, to ensure safe storage of any recording in progress. The F770 offers the next level ultimate security and surveillance solution for the everyday driver. Right, on to the next dash cam, which is the Garmin Dash Cam 35. The Garmin Dash Cam 35 HD vehicle driving recorder is the ideal eyewitness to your journeys. Garmin Dash Cam 35 is an easy-to-use high-definition driving recorder with a 3-inch LCD. It features footage capture at WGA, 720p and 1080p resolutions in a continuous loop, and a wide-angled lens that captures the entire road. GPS records location, direction, speed, date and time to show exactly where and when incidents occur. The camera starts recording automatically when the vehicle is turned on and will turn back off once the car is shut down. Rely on the incident detection feature to automatically save footage on impacts and stores the files on the replaceable micro SD card which is included with the dashcam. It preserves the collected footage, so the next recording will not overwrite it. There is also a snapshot feature, so you can remove Dashcam 35 from your vehicle to take close-up views of vehicle or property damage. Playback footage can be viewed on the dashcam screen or on a computer. The Garmin Dashcam 35 doesn't try to impress you with heaps of features, but it's reliable and simple to use. And finally, the last dashcam and my favourite is the Blackvue DR650S-2CH. The DR650S-2CH is Blackvue's flagship dual-channel dashcam, designed to monitor your journey, automatically recording full HD 1080p footage day or night in explicit sharp detail, thanks to its industry-leading Sony CMOS camera sensor. The DR650S-2CH monitors front and rear at FHD and HD resolution, so you never miss an incident. The rear camera is infrared equipped and supplied with a 6-meter coaxial cable. In the event of a collision or incident, the DR650S-2CH will detect the impact and automatically protect the footage from being overwritten, including the vital moments before the incident. Another feature is an impressive nighttime video footage with the Blackvue DR650S-2CH Sony's premium 2.4MP Sony Exmor CMOS sensor that guarantees clear 129-degree wide-angle footage even in low-light conditions. A dedicated parking mode ensures incidents are recorded even when your vehicle is left unattended. Plus, Blackvue's over-the-cloud and Wi-Fi unlocks the real potential of your dashcam, remotely connecting you with your car and providing additional functionality including live view, video backup, real-time tracking, and emergency alarms. With a built-in GPS, this dashcam embeds speed, time, and location data to the recorded videos to give you all the crucial information when you need it after an incident. Okay, I hope you found this review useful and it helps you make the right informed choice to suit your needs. You can find links to these best dashcams below in the description of this video, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on 5 Best Buys.